In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a privacy policy in a Hostinger website. If you want your website to look more professional and provide visitors with important legal information, adding a privacy policy page is a great idea. Hostinger makes this process fairly simple. And in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to click so you can get it done quickly and correctly. To begin, open your Hostinger account and sign in. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for your website and click on Website. This will take you to the section where you can manage your site settings and content. From there, click Edit Website. This opens your website editor, where you can make changes to pages, layout, and site content. Give it a moment to load fully so you can see all the editing options clearly. Next, find and click Pages. This is where all of your current website pages are listed, and it's also the place where you can create new ones. After opening the Pages section, click Add Page to start creating a new page for your privacy policy. You should now see different page options or templates. Look for Privacy Policy and select that template. This is helpful because it gives you a ready-made structure, saving you time and making sure you include the most common sections people expect to see in a privacy policy. Once the template opens, you can customize it as needed. This is the part where you should carefully review the content and update the necessary details so they match your website or business. Replace the placeholder information with your company name, your website name, and your email address. Make sure everything is accurate and spelled correctly, since this page is meant to inform visitors how their data is handled. After you've filled in the required details and made any custom edits you need, click Add Page. This will create the new privacy policy page and add it to your website's page list. Finally, once everything looks good, click Save. After saving, the privacy policy page will be added to your website. Before you finish, it's a good habit to quickly preview the page and make sure the formatting looks clean and the information appears in the right places. A clear and complete privacy policy helps build trust with your visitors and can also support compliance requirements depending on your website. That's it. You've successfully added a privacy policy to your Hostinger website.